Hello everyone, I'm Misty Flowers and I'm going to be your instructor. I want to give you a little bit of information about my education history. I taught in a public school system in the state of Ohio for 30 plus years. I have taught kindergarten, first grade, third grade, fifth grade, and sixth grade. I am also a trained reading recovery teacher and worked obviously with first grade students. The last half of my career, I was a literacy coach. I was trained by Ohio State Literacy Collaborative, and I coached teachers on implementing the literacy program that our district had adopted. I began teaching with Mount Vernon in 2015 after I had received my reading endorsement through them. And I mainly teach literacy classes for them. I teach developmental literacy and the developmental literacy lab, content area reading, basics of phonics, and language and literacy fundamentals. I am married. I have 2 golden retrievers, 2 cats, and 2 children. I want you all to be successful in this class. So if you have questions, please ask me. Now, I want to go through the syllabus with you, so bear with me a moment. Okay, I am hoping that my picture would move, and it hasn't.